Se on tuossa kehittyy Helsingin Melkon puisto. Vattuniemenkatu 16, ei. In Lauttasaari, Helsinki staircase, ei. In 1988, it's 69054. 4 brutto, 325 kilograms, I think. It or something like this at top floor, probably.
This is amazing.
Yeah.
It was worth it.
Yeah.
We should get into the BCND later, but
Yeah.
it doesn't matter if we don't get now, but
Yeah.
some other day. Better than I expected.
Yeah.
It's without any doors and big windows, Kone inside, and no vendor resistant components outside.
Yeah.
And 1998.
Yeah.
So of course we had to come here.
Mm.
It was worth it, but too difficult.
Yeah, it says that cords are not in use anymore.
Like
Yeah.
that's why it was
Yeah.
impossible. You can press a second time.
Inspected by QA, maintained by Kone.
Good maintenance.
Yeah.
And it's Swedish and Finnish outside, as it should be here in Vattuniemenkatu in Lauttasaari.
Yeah.
Here in Helsinki, yes, of course, Finland. And a cozy elevator it is also.
Yeah.
But it's weird because they had to build it like with half floors.
Yeah.
And they couldn't make it in the middle of the shaft.
Yeah.
It would have been too narrow.
Yeah.
And also there could have been a window on the back also. But in front it is.
Yeah.
It could have been on the back because they have windows to the back side
Yeah.
in the shaft. And then you can also see the hydraulics really well from the top floor. I have it on the video.
Yeah.
Also it's turning 25 years old in 2023. But it's still as new. Okay, that's it.
That's
That's it.